Hello everyone, so today I'm staying at the Hilton Istanbul Kozyatağı. I've been given room 3112 on the 11th floor. So before we start the room tour, I just want to say that if the red triangle is highlighted, that means do not disturb, and if the green triangle is highlighted, that means please make up room. So, here we have the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. That is the floor plan. It is a circular shaped hotel, and I believe this is one of 2 blocks of rooms. To the left, as you enter the room, slot to insert the key card for the room's power as well as some light switches. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. Right here, we have the bathroom. With the toilet, sink, a couple of mirrors, and a shower area, which does look quite good. You have the rain shower above, and a handheld shower right there. A couple of shelves, huge mirror, hello, and opposite the mirror is the cupboard. In-room safe, a couple of drawers, ironing board with an iron, and a place to hang your clothes or whatever you want to hang. And right above, storage. Further inside, we have the bedroom. With the bed, it does look quite plush. On this bedside table, there is a drawer, but on top we have the coffee and tea making facilities with the kettle, a couple of bottles of water. Right there, we have a plug, together with the switches to activate either do not disturb or please make up room, and more light switches. A light. Right here, a place to sit or put your luggage on depending on what you want to use it for. Flat screen LG TV. With minibar items. The fridge, again with more minibar items. A bit of storage on the door. Desk area with the chair, in-room telephone, a light, a couple of plugs, internet plug, a USB port, and a HDMI port, which I believe is for the TV. Place to sit. I'm not too sure what you call it again, but I just gonna call it an armchair for now. And on the other bedside table, we have another in-room telephone, telephone directory, some writing materials, and again a plug and light switches with a light above. And there are also small reading lights on the top of the bed. Lastly, the view out is of the main road in front of the hotel, a view of the Asian side of Istanbul, which is quite a nice view as well. And right here we have a window that opens. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 3112 at the Hilton Istanbul Kozyatağı. Thanks for watching and goodbye.